Belly bloating due to water retention and trapped intestinal gas can be painful and uncomfortable. Some foods are also known to cause bloating, such as processed foods high due to their high sodium, fat and sugar content, or cruciferous vegetables, legumes, and certain fruits that contain indigestible sugars and fiber. The good news is there are also several foods that can naturally help get rid or ease belly bloating. Here are our top 5. 1. Asparagus. Asparagus is an anti-bloating superfood. Sure, it makes your urine smell, but it also makes you pee, helping you flush all that excess water, thus relieving any discomfort and bloat. It also contains prebiotics, which help support the growth of good bacteria, according to SAS. This helps maintain a healthy balance in your digestive system to prevent and/or reduce gas. Finally, the vegetable contains soluble and insoluble fibers, which helps promote overall digestive health. 2. Pineapple. There is a natural enzyme in pineapple called bromelain that aids digestion. It does this by breaking down proteins in the food moving through your system, which basically improves your ability to process it. Bromelain is so effective at softening up tough food, by the way, that is also used as a meat tenderizer. Papaya offers similar anti-bloating benefits with another enzyme, papain. 3. Celery. These crunchy veggies act as diuretics, helping you to flush out the excess water you are retaining. Celery also has about 200 milligrams of potassium in every stalk and is a good source of fiber, vitamin C, K, and calcium. Pair that with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant phytonutrients, and you have several excellent reasons to add more celery to your diet. Toss some in your salad or extra crunch or snack on celery with spicy salsa. 4. Kiwi. Not only is kiwi a good source of potassium, zinc, and fiber, it also contains antioxidant. This enzyme may increase the gastric emptying rate, improve gastrointestinal motility, and provide faster relief from feeling overly full. A small randomized trial has shown that 2 peeled kiwi per day improved chronic constipation and was better tolerated than other natural remedies. Both green and cold kiwi are considered to be low FODMAP foods, which we know can be consumed without causing bloat for most individuals. 5. Dandelion. Dandelion greens are the prebiotic, and while they may be a tad harder to find than asparagus, they are worth a second lap of the farmer's market. Dandelion greens are extremely nutrient-dense and have been used medicinally as anti-inflammatory for years. The dandelion root stimulates production of gastric enzymes, so it's a great digestive aid, while the greens are what act as diuretic. Use the dandelion root and leaves in a tea, or try sprinkling the greens into your daily lunchtime salad.